Fleet is a web-based software tool that helps you manage every aspect of your fleet, and yet it's simple and easy to use. Create a direct line of communication between you and your drivers, eliminate paper forms, and stay on top of your fleet maintenance. Drivers will use the Fleet mobile app to complete their daily vehicle inspections, report issues, and record fuel purchase information. You'll be alerted immediately when any issue is reported so that it can be properly addressed. Fleet offers complete work order management, so you can create and assign work orders, track current status, and stay on top of hours of labor, total cost, and downtime. Fleet also helps you track and manage all of your preventative maintenance needs with completely customizable alerts. You can create thresholds for items such as PM services, DOT inspections, or annual licensing requirements. You'll be notified as items come due, helping to make sure you never miss a scheduled maintenance again. Fleet will also alert you when items come due for drivers, such as licenses, training and certification requirements, and driving record updates. Fleet is part of the Sure ecosystem suite of connected software-as-a-service tools. The products work together by sharing information such as customers and vehicles to streamline setup and maintain an integrated workflow. To sign up for a free trial, visit us at www.sureecosystem.com.